Hi, I'm Japanese. Today I'll explain the ultimate start for Gunpla Maniacs, 4 main Gundams you must know. If you know these 4 iconic Gunpla, you're officially a true Gunpla Maniac. Ready? Let's start with the legend, RX-78 Nu Gundam, the first Gundam, piloted by Amuro Ray in the original Mobile Suit Gundam. This is the machine that started it all. It smashed the world's expectations of robot anime forever. With its beam saber and iconic shield, RX-78 became the symbol of rebellion and hope for millions. The Gunpla? It's the #1 best-selling kit for decades. The level of detail is insane. You can feel the soul of Gunpla in your hands. Now, let's turn up the heat. Zeta Gundam, Camille Biden pilots this transformable legend in Zeta Gundam. Zeta was revolutionary. This isn't just a robot, it transforms into a fighter jet. Anime fans lost their minds in 1985. And it's fast! So fast it outruns missiles, dodges lasers, and fights like a demon. The ultimate upgrade! Zeta's Gunpla is famous for its complexity and perfect proportions. Building it is a true test of skill, a badge of honor. Next up, Gundam ZZ. Piloted by Judo Ashita, this beast took power to the extreme in Gundam ZZ. ZZ is a monster. Twin beam cannons, insane armor, pure brute force, this is Gundam on steroids. It can separate and combine. 3 machines unite to create this unstoppable warrior, jaw-dropping engineering. As a Gunpla, ZZ is big, heavy, and a display monster. The shelf presence is unreal. It dominates your room. Now for the masterpiece, Nu Gundam, piloted by Amuro Ray again in Char's counterattack. The Nu Gundam is the symbol of Amuro's final battle, a machine built by a legend for a legend. Armed with the iconic fin funnels, it can control the battlefield like a god. Pure psychic power unleashed. Building the Nu Gundam Gunpla is a rite of passage for true fans. Its presence? Unmatched. Its art. So what do you think? Are you ready to dive into the world of real Gunpla mania? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more about real Japanese life. Arigatou, gozaimasu.